Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, graduate student of the mentoring program, and today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2011. This is the vNewsletter stock report. Nice to be with everybody again tonight. We're looking at the S&P 500 on a daily chart, and you can see we're still in this consolidation mode, still underneath this brown lowering trend line, but we also have support down here. We're in between these two army green colored lines basing. We also got triangles. We got a whole bunch of consolidation symbols going on today. The MACD is also right at the zero line there, so everything's pointing to consolidation. We are underneath the 20-day moving average as well. We should be getting a pop here soon. We'll wait and see when exactly that happens. As a swing trader, I won't be making any moves until I get confirmation either way. Now we're going to start looking here first at CXO. This is our bull stock. When we looked at this on Monday, we had a high base. Monday we looked a little bit like that, so we had a nice tight high base there. We had an entry and stop down below here. We were waiting for a breakout. Now the markets really haven't been doing much of anything. Put this guy a little bit under pressure. We had a pretty bearish day yesterday, found some support at the 20-day moving average and the upper trend line. Now look at today. Today we dropped down almost another 3%. Bad news is we're down below the 20-day moving average now. That's not so good. Also, the MACD, if you take a look at that, the MACD is now crossing underneath the zero line. That's not so good. And we have increasing volume on some dropping candlesticks. Also, not the best thing if you want to go bullish. However, though, it kind of looks like we're still setting up a bullish pattern. This may be a bull pullback. Keep it on your radar. Keep it on a watch list. It still has strong fundamentals and it could definitely be a potential long, but right now not looking as good as our bear stock. Our bear stock is ICLR. Now if the markets break down, this would be a great opportunity to short. Again though, it changed, the pattern changed. We were looking at a low base here, and then we have since broken out of that. You don't want to break out of a low base, you want to break down, so we didn't have any confirmation to short this. However, just like the other one, we're kind of getting an inverse pattern here. Now it looks like a bear pullback. Okay, we're going up here, and we actually have a nice risk to reward ratio right now. We're going to change this a little bit here. That would be a target area there. Almost 2. It's not going to be quite 2. But we're going to have a stop. Stop would be up in that area. Let me move this other line here and an entry there. So you can see we got about 1. It's a little short. Yeah, short of 2. So what would be awesome if tomorrow we can get a little doji day up here. That would be really great here. We do have declining volume on the increase. That's excellent to see if you're interested in shorting. Take a look at the MACD. The MACD is still sub-zero, although it's getting ever so close to crossing over. That's why if we get a doji tomorrow, things will look really even better. We're below the 20-day moving average along with the 50-day moving average, and you're going to want to check the Fibonacci's here. And if I just do the high of the candle here down to the gap, the lowest low of the drop here, you can see that as long as we stay below the 61.8, that's this green line here, as long as we stay below that, then it is still has a better chance of turning over here and making at least an equal or even a lower swing low. So things are still looking good on this. You may want to potentially have a trade set up just in case the markets go bearish tomorrow, or play it safe and wait for the markets to make their move first, and then keep your eye on this guy. And if this guy starts moving, if you're in front of the computer, go ahead and trade it tomorrow. If not, swing trade. I'll have to wait and see tomorrow night. And sorry, I'm a little stuffy tonight. My little guy passed his cold on to me, so I'd rather be the one suffering than him, so I don't mind that one bit. I hope you all had a great trading day today, and looking forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Take care, everybody.